Shopify versus Hostinger. Which one is better for you? Hello, everyone, and welcome to our ultimate showdown, Shopify versus Hostinger. Whether you're building a Shopify store or you are someone that is looking to establish their pre-existing business on a platform that can host your website, domain, email, and more, which one should you be choosing? Shopify or Hostinger? Let's dive in. First off, we need to establish the basic differences between these two platforms because they are not the same thing at all. Now, let's clarify what these platforms actually are. Shopify is a dedicated e-commerce platform designed to help you create, manage, and scale your online store seamlessly. Whereas Hostinger, on the other hand, as the name suggests, is a primarily web hosting provider that has added e-commerce features to its website builder. While Shopify is built specifically for selling products, Hostinger focuses more on affordability and simplicity and the ability to create your website in a platform where you can host your domain as well as get a business email. So these are the major differences between these two platforms. And let's talk about pricing. Now, when you take a look at pricing, if we go with monthly pricing, Shopify starts at $25. Then we have Hostinger. Hostinger starts at different price plans depending on the features that you're going to be using. So if you take a look at web hosting, WordPress hosting, as well as cloud hosting, it's going to be different. And if you go for a 1-month subscription, it's going to cost you around $5 or something. And it's not that high at all. I can convert this into USD on their website as well, but this is going to cost you around $10, which is substantially lower than Shopify. And you might say, hey, isn't that better? Well, Shopify, although initially is expensive, there are transactional fees that range from 0.2 to 2%. And if you're using a third-party payment gateway, that can be an add-on. But Hostinger is a budget-friendly option here, where plans are going to be anywhere from $9.99 to $64 or $65 per month, and there are no additional transactional fees. So if cost is your largest concern, then opting for Hostinger just might be the thing for you. Now, let's compare ease of use because both platforms are marketed as beginner-friendly with intuitive interfaces. Shopify's drag and drop editor makes customizing your store a breeze, while Hostinger's website builder is straightforward but less robust when it comes to e-commerce specific needs. So if you want simplicity for a general website with a light e-commerce functionality, go with Hostinger. But if you want a full-fledged online store and you're looking to sell products full-time, stick with Shopify. You can explore both of these for free because both of them do offer you free trials. You can choose web hosting or cloud hosting, and with cloud hosting, you can click on select over here, proceed with the term you want, and then enter your information. Then after that, you are just going to be free to proceed with the rest of your information and get one website free, pre-built templates, as well as over 10,000 monthly visits. And you have 200,000 files in directories, weekly backups, unlimited free SSL, and more, all within Hostinger. Whereas if you are looking on Shopify, you guys can see their basic plan allows you to create as many websites as possible, but your websites are linked to your email, not your actual plan. The plan you subscribe to is only going to be valid for one particular Shopify store. Now, if you take a look at their overall easy building method, Shopify makes it really easy, yet it also allows us to customize our store if we are on that level of expertise. So if you go into online store on Shopify, you can click on customize over here. You can customize your current theme, and you can even alter your theme on Shopify. There are several different options available for themes as well. You have a handful of free as well as then a marketplace of paid themes. And you can click on add section and then select a section you want to add and then add the information. So editing on Shopify is very straightforward. If you're someone that is not super used to building stores and building websites, then Shopify provides you with an amazing platform that is tailored for e-commerce with all the features you need in a simple website builder. Now, what about features? Because for some people, it really matters what type of website they're building and what type of e-commerce functionalities can they add in their website. Starting off with Shopify, Shopify has an extensive suite of tools tailored for e-commerce. Think inventory management, dropshipping integrations, advanced analytics, and over 8,000 applications that can help you in enhancing your store. Whereas Hostinger's e-commerce capabilities are limited, focusing on only basic inventory management and third-party plugins for features like dropshipping. For serious sellers that are looking to scale, Shopify is going to be a clear winner when it comes to full-fledged sales, and scalability is another key factor. Shopify excels with its managed hosting infrastructure and subscription plans that grow with your business. It even offers warehousing and fulfillment through its fulfillment network. Whereas if we were to compare this to Hostinger, Hostinger offers upgradable hosting plans and flexible resources, but it lacks the scalability features like real-time shipping rates or label printing that are available on Shopify. Now, when it comes to customer support, both of these platforms are offering 24/7 support. But Hostinger's 24/7 support mainly relies on live tickets and they do not have phone support. So if top-notch assistance matters for you, Shopify is going to be a great option because they provide assistance via live chat, email, as well as your phone. So if you're having any issues with your e-commerce platform, you can always get in touch. Security is also a non-negotiable for any online business. Shopify ensures PCI and DSS compliance for secure payments and offers robust hosting security measures like firewalls and regular backups. Hostinger provides free SL certificates and custom-built firewalls, but it does not match Shopify's level of protection for advanced payment processing. So, if you're taking a look at payment processing and you want to ensure that your customers are always protected, Shopify is going to be the best platform for you. Now, let's not forget about design. Shopify boasts over 120 customizable themes tailored for e-commerce stores, perfect for creating a professional look with brand identity. Shopify and Hostinger both have templates, but Hostinger's templates are more suited for generalized websites rather than focusing on a specific type of e-commerce website. They have themes that can be customized to online stores, to portfolios, and much more. So what's the verdict? If you're serious about building a scalable online store with powerful tools and customization options, Shopify is your go-to platform. Even though it comes at a higher cost, the cost can be justified with all the features it has. However, if you're looking for an affordable solution where you're just establishing a basic online presence, then Hostinger might be the better fit. The choice ultimately depends on your budget and your goals. So, which platform will you be choosing? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech comparisons.